Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. So week on week in our YouTube channel, we will be posting our weekly series. So in the previous weeks, we have been analyzed the sector-wise stocks and we have been making the video. So in that aspect, for next week, we have been choosing the IT sector. So and our first stock is on the Mindtree. And before get into the chart analysis, I would like to request you to subscribe our YouTube channel as well as follow us on the Telegram channel for our live market updates. So, and the Telegram channel will be on here. It's a Happy Traders Zone, and the name of the YouTube channel is also the same. Yeah. Okay. Now let us get into this video, guys. And for the from the IT sector, our first pick is on the Mindtree. So if you see here, the Mindtree is going in a kind of consolidation phase from this day, which is from October month. We having a minor consolidation in the Mindtree, and currently the Mindtree is traveling in this broadening kind of pattern, broadening wedge pattern, and it took support at a below base level, and it started to provide the rally. And let me move on to the lower time frame of 1 hour time frame. In the lower time frame, what does it saying is we having the resistance over here, which is 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 times it got rejected, and none of the 1 hour time frame candle has been closed above this level. So if in the Monday we can expect a gap up opening, and there can be a small retest kind of the price will get fall, the minus profit booking will happen, and from after touching this level, the stock will give the U-turn. If this occurrence has been happened, you can make a long entry once after the any one hour candle close has been done above 4943 level. And what about the target means, we can have the target of till this extension. So as a first target, we can have the target of around this level. It has potential to give till this level, but as a short-term trader, we can exit once our 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 2.5 risk reward ratio has been achieved. And regarding the stop loss, we can have the stop loss of below this candle low. Low value is 4720 can be our stop loss, and our target would be minimum of 1 is to 2. So now let us move on to the next stock. So happiest minds. In our next pick, we have been chosen the happiest minds, and let us move on to the weekly time frame to understand the big picture. And in the big picture perspective, the stock has listed at this level. It's around 380 level, and currently it is trading on 1300. So if you see here in the weekly time frame, the stock was in a complete buy side. It's on the complete rally, and it's on the complete uptrend, and the primary uptrend has been got broken, and now it is uh, forming the secondary downtrend. So primary trend is on up, and primary trend is on the upside, and secondary trend on the downside. So whenever there is a breakout from this downtrend, secondary trend, so there is a maximum possibility to reach till the primary level, which is this black line. Okay, so if you see here, we currently the secondary trend is traveling in the falling channel pattern, and here we have 1 2 3 4 rejection has happened. So if any 1 day candle close has been done above this level, we can make a long entry with the candle low as our stop loss, and our target would be, our first target would be at this level 1478, guys, and our second target should be at this level 1650 1565. So around some 100 rupees spread we have, so we can have use of this some 300 to 350 rupees spread, guys. And let me move on to the minor time frame. Yeah, if we see here, we can also trade with the 4 hour candle. So if any one 4 hour candle formation has been done, we can make a long entry. And if you can ask me, so you have been saying 1 day time frame candle, 1 hour time frame candle, and 4 hour time frame candle. And what is the reason why we need to, which candle we need to use? So as a simple theory, higher the time frame, higher the accuracy, higher the stop loss. So now let us move on to the next stock. Normally I would like to go with the day candle. Yes, sir. So if we see here, the HL technology is traveling in the broadening kind of a pattern, broadening wedge pattern. And if you see here, if you see here, it took this support, and the stock is trying to take a support again at this level. If this stock comes around this level, this green market level, it is a very good zone to make a long entry, guys. But even though in the 1 hour time frame, we expect the stock is trying to make a U-turn, and it is pushing towards the upside. So it's not necessary we need to wait till this level. As a swing trader, we can make this opportunity, guys. So if we see here we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 rejections, guys. So 6 times the price has got rejected on this black line. So such a magical line. So simply, if there is any 1 hour time frame candle close has been done, we can make a long entry, and we can have the stop loss of this level, guys, this level. And it will be better if the candle close was above this level as well. So why? Because here we have a kind of horizontal resistance. So if the 1 hour, first 1 hour time frame candle close has been done above 1191, we can make a long entry. And the stop loss we can have around this level, this level, this level, this level, guys. It's as per our risk reward ratio management we can make, but make sure you have a target of a minimum of 2 times whatever the stop loss you are having. So and so post this breakout, we can have the target of till this level, and further breakout of this level we can expect the target of up to this level, guys. Yeah, up to this level we can expect a 1330. So some 150 rupees spread we having, we can make use of it. 150 rupees means it's around some 10% to 12% move we can expect, guys. So now let us move on to the next stock, which is so Wipro. So these stocks can be affordable even by the small trader too. So and institution investors. Why? Because it's one of the stock which is trading at a very cheaper price. If you see here, the Wipro is taking a support at this blue line. So here we have one, two. So here it didn't give a support. Same like a HCL condition, it just provided the breakout and it went off. And again it took a support at this level, guys. And let me move on to the 4 hour time frame now. And in the 4 hour time frame, if we see here, it's a previous resistance, and after this resistance act as the support here, and further the same thing has been acted as the resistance, guys. And the stock is in a bull run now, so it has higher the chances to break this level and sustain above this level. If any 1 hour time frame candle close has been done above this zone, which is around 667, we can make a long entry with stop loss of till this level, guys. And what about our the target? So the target should be minimum of this level. Our target T1 should be this level, and T2 should be around this line extension, guys. And in the 1 hour 1 day time frame, I have been observed something, which is, if you see here, so the stock has provided the fall, and after that a minor the retest, and after that it took support at this level. And if you see here, from after the price is getting a rejection from this level, and if you see here, there is a urgency, there is a gap down, there is a gap down, and after touching this level, the stock has provided the um attractive candle bull candle formation, which means there is a urgency for the institutions to come till this level, and they need to make the orders get filled in. So they have took their bus, they are in now. So after this there is a gap up again, there is, we can find the urgency over here, there is a gap up and a ultimate bull candle close. So this is all the thing which makes me to think that there is institutions participations are very high in this level. So if any 1 4 hour or 1 hour candle close above this level, we can make a long entry, guys. next one is on the TCS. Okay, not it's a Infosys. So if we see in Infosys, so as I said, there is a one, two, three, four, and a consecutive five. Last week fully, we don't have any one red candle, but we have a very huge selling pressure. If we see here, the stock has been providing as a selling, as seen the selling pressure of up to this level, and the buyer has the dominant buyer dominance has been increased in the market. So and finally, so there is a gap up which says there is urgency to make the price higher. So now let us move on to the, yeah. If you see here, the Infosys is traveling in the, so same broadening kind of pattern. So in the all most of the IT sector stocks are traveling in the same pattern. So most of the large cap stocks, and finally it took the resistance, sorry, it took the support at this level, which is one, two, three, four, five levels, guys, and finally it has been started to rally till this level. So 2200, 2100. So and here we have a target one of around this level. Yeah. So if you see here in the higher level, we have a rejection one, two, three, four rejections. So as there is a very good buy side move, so we can expect the target one of the till this level, guys. And for the investment perspective, we can have the target of till this level. It will be around 2200, guys. And now if you see here, here we have a previous resistance, minor resistance, and this resistance has got broken. Let me move on to the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. It will be clearly visible for to our naked eyes. So if you see here, so this is what previous resistance, and this resistance acted perfectly over here. Here, I'm just slightly adjusting, guys. Yeah. So this resistance has perfectly worked over here. So from here there is no one any one further candle close above this level, and finally we have the candle close above this level, and there is a consolidation, so minor consolidation, and we can call it as the accumulation since there is a markup, and finally here we have a gap up. So there is urgency, guys, there is a gap up urgency, and it started to move further high, and we can have the first target of till this level, guys, and as a second target till this level. So I think I'm just left with two more stock. So one is TCS, and if we see on the TCS, let me move on to the, okay, let us be in the daily time frame. So in our previous video we already provided the buy signal. So there is a very good support at this support line, and we made a video exactly right at this level, guys. So after the completion of this green candle, we made a video, I guess, so which was around 2475 level, and currently the price is around some 50 rupees only. Price has been moved on high, but there is a higher low formation. If you see here, this is a low, and previous low, this low is not taken up, so we having a higher low, and which states that there is a trend has been changed to the upside. And now I'm moving to the 1 hour time frame. So we having a very good inverted head and shoulder pattern here. So it's if you see here, it's a left shoulder, and it's a head, and it's a right shoulder, and the uh, neckline is about to break out. If there is 1 hour time frame candle close has been done, we can make a long entry and with the target of this level. So this much of a spread we can make use of. And as the second target, so it's a lifetime high, it's around 3950. So this is what the stocks which we have been picked from the IT sector, but still we have one more stock. So it's not from the IT sector, but it's from the IS. So what is IS? IS means internet service. IT means information technology, and it's internet services, guys. So information services. So Naukri is one of the stock. Its name is InfoH. They have been providing the services in the internet. So hence they call as the internet services or information services. So if you see here, we have a very good support of this red line. And if you see here, so this line has been started from this level, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 times it took this support, and there is a very good candle close. And if we see here, it's a type of morning star pattern. So there is a drop and there is a minor consolidation, and here we have the minor drop and morning star pattern, which says there is a very good bullish getting into this stock, and we can make a long entry right at the current market price and with the target of till this level. So what about the stop loss? So the investment perspective, if you are going with the investment perspective, you can have the stop loss below this level, and if for the swing traders, we can have the stop loss of a current day candle low. So our stop loss would be, so 6100, and our target would be, so around 1000 points we can have. So some 300 point was our stop loss, and 1000 point was our target. It's around 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio trade, guys. So based on those analysis, if you ask me personally, I am very good bullish on the TCS, InfoH, and Wipro. This will be my first click, and further I am left with money, and I may think about the other stocks to make a long entry. Yeah. Okay, guys. So please do follow us on our Telegram and YouTube to get our live market updates. And in our Telegram only, I will be sharing my personal portfolio. So what are the stocks I'm getting entered and exiting? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a happy week. Happy trading. Bye.